Hello friends, my name is Shubhamdeep and welcome to my tutorial. So in this video I will tell you how to make an Android app using Android Studio. Okay, so I think you have been ready the environment for development of app means an installation of SDK and Android Studio. Okay, so now to make an Android app you just go and open Android Studio. Okay, so just click on icon of Android Studio and it is opening. It will take few seconds. So and you need an enumerator for running that app whatever you will make. Okay, so I have BlueStack as a enumerator. You can also create an enumerator in the Android Studio, but actually I'm not creating it. Okay, so first go here is the file options, go to file and click on that, and here you can see that here is the options of new, and here is a new project. Okay, so click on new project, and here you can see it asking for application name. Okay, suppose I provide app actually I will make an app which display a message when you click the button. Okay, so I name this application as a to message display, message displaying it, message displayed. Okay, so click next, and here you can see it's asking minimum SDK. Okay, means please select Android 2.2 means Froyo, because it's cover at almost every devices, mean 100% of devices. And here you don't need to do perform any changes, and because these are for via for TV. Okay, so you don't need to perform any changes here because it's meaningless. Okay, so click next, and here is the format for your Android app. I'm choosing blank activity, and you can choose any format. Okay, so I'm choosing this format. Okay, so click next and then finish. Okay, and you can see it has a hello world. When you create first time any app, it will show hello world defaultly. Okay, so if I run this program now, it will show hello world. Okay, so you wanna see run this. Okay, so here you can see that our app is run and it's showing hello world here. Okay, hello world. Now first this is the, you can also change the theme of the app here. Suppose I need a holo dog, these are the themes of the app. And suppose I need a holo dog which is okay, which is like which will so like this. Okay, so first we need a text field for displaying a message, and a number of button. When I will press that button, the message, any kind of message, will display on that field. Okay, so first select this and delete it. Okay, because it's not necessary. After deleting that field, you need to drag large text onto the app screen. Okay, here, so I drag here, and you can also adjust the height and width of this text field here, and also you can adjust like here like this. Okay, so suppose, and if you want to implement the size of height and width here, so you can suppose this is the width, and width is in the total width of the app. And now if you want to change the height of the app, which is suppose I provide any 50, so you can see that the size becomes some larger as compared to before. Okay, so you can also provide the values, and it will adjust onto the screen. Okay, so I have a text field and double click on that. So here this is the id. Please remember that id must be a unique id of the text field. So here I have only one text field, so I provided id text view. Okay, and whatever name you will provide here, it will show onto the text field. If I blank this number, here you can see it is blank. Okay, so and suppose I wanna provide any hint here, so go to here and search for uh, h. You can see that this has options of it, and suppose I'm writing something to display message. Okay, to display message, this is the hint, and you can see it is displaying here. Okay, this is the hint. Okay, and now you need a button. When you click that button, some message will display here. Okay, so suppose here the and under the widgets, here is the options of button. Okay, so drag that button onto the app screen here, and another button here. Okay, so when I will press this button, it will show some message, and whenever I will press this button, it will show some message here. Okay, so you can suppose button 1, suppose I provide name like hi, hi, and yeah. Okay, so I'll press hi. This is the button for hi, and this button is for hello. Okay, so and please remember that its id is button 2 and its id is button only. Okay, so because it's the most important part, so please remember that button 1, it's a unique id of button 1, and this is its id is button 2. Okay, so now you can also change the color of the button here. So click select this button and go to the background, which is here. Okay, so here you can see that here is the options of background, and click here, and here is a button you can choose. Suppose I choose red, so here's a red button. Okay, so suppose I have, if I want to change the color of this button, so click here, and here you will see the different colors. Suppose its color is blue. Okay, so here you can see that its color is blue and its color is red. Okay, so uh, and you can also increase the size of these buttons here. Suppose select this button and wrap width. Suppose I provide width 50. So let's see what happened. Okay, so I need to provide some larger 80. Okay, you can see that button became larger. Okay, so I think I'm going to provide 100. Okay, so here you can see that button become larger, and if I want to change the size of this, so 100. Okay, so you can see that button become larger, and if you want to increase the size of the text, so you can also increase that size. Click that button and search see for text size, which is here. Okay, you can see that here is the options of text size. Suppose I provide 20, so Okay, so 40 will be good. Okay, you can see that size is become larger. Okay, if you want to change the size of this, so select this button and implement the size for T. Okay, you can see that the size of the text became larger. Okay, so our design have been completed, and mm, suppose when I will press this button, some message will be display here, and when I will press this button, some message will display here. Okay, so design have been ready, and now go to the main activity, and here you need to create a method for telling the button to display the message. Okay, so suppose I created a method public void on click button 1. Okay, so this is the method when I will press view v. Okay, so please observe it. If you here you can see that it's displaying a error. If you find any kind of error, so press alt and enter like this, and error will automatically will remove. Okay, and may show some options for resolving error. Okay, so after that write edit text view, write text view, text view, and press take any variable, suppose t, and here you can see that it's displaying error, so press alt enter. Okay, and equal to, and after that again write text view, text view, find view, find view by id. Okay, and here r dot id dot, and here it is important choose the id of text field, which is text view. Okay, which is id of text field. Okay, and after that put semicolon. Okay, so if you want to see, here you can see the text, here is the id of text view. Okay, so it is important to know, and go to again that, and coding of text view have been completed. Now you need to set t1 to display a message. Okay, so write set dot, not like t dot set text, and suppose now write something here, any kind of message, suppose hello, no, suppose I provide any message, hi, how are you. Okay, so how are you, and it will the coding of button 1 have been completed, and similarly you need to create another method for button 2. Okay, so for saving time just copy and paste, and you don't copy and paste, make the program with yourself, because, and here is I need to change b2. Yeah, okay, so and here text view. Okay, now other thing is ready. Okay, and here I need to display some another message, which is how are you. Now suppose I write hello, how are, hello, I'm fine. This will be good actually. Hello, I am fine. Okay, so here you can see design is and the coding have been ready. Okay, have been completed. So control S, and now actually method have been ready, but how you will tell to the compiler that when I press this button some message should be display. Okay, so click high and just go to the on click options in the properties, which is here. Okay, so you can see that on click options is presented here, and select this, and here you can see uh, down arrow is presented here, and click on that arrow and search select the method 1, which is on click button 1. Okay, select that method and done. Okay, and now select another button and click here under the properties option on click and press here and choose another method button 2, which is on click button 2. Okay, means whenever I will click this button, it will show the message which is stored in the method 1, and whenever I will press this button, it will show the message which is stored in the method 2. Okay, which is on click button 2. Okay, so now it is done, and suppose I wanna change the color of this, which is background. Okay, so it will more visible. Suppose I provide any color. Yeah, this color is actually good. Yeah. Okay, so you can see, and our app has been ready. Okay, so let's run this app. Okay, so our app have been compiled and run successfully. Okay, so here suppose I'm uh, pressing on this button, and here is the output, which is hi, how are you. It's asking, and whenever I will press this button, you can see hello, I am fine. Okay, so that's mean our app is working properly. And okay, so and also if you want to change the color of the app background, so you don't need to nothing, and go to the properties options and choose background, which is here. Okay, and now here you can choose any color on the same process. Suppose I choose pink in this color. Okay, so suppose I choose this color, so you can see that color have been changed. Okay, so you can change color according to you. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. If you have any confusion, any problem, so you can put on my channel. Okay, now bye, and please don't forget for subscribe. Okay, now bye.